So you've submitted your labels, your address labels. So we'll go ahead and exit out of here, and you already saved and submitted. It goes back to your original creation. And for this one, we're going to take this and change it to a letterhead. So go ahead and select your information at the top and choose Home, Center. Then click your icon and Control C for copy. And then I'm going to paste it 7 times with the Control V. And what I want to do, make sure it's within the margin, is put 4 on one side and 4 on the other. So you're making somewhat of a letterhead style. There you go. And then after the zip code, go ahead and press enter. And we want to have like a dividing line between the separating lines. So if I choose borders and choose bottom border, that's fine, but it's very plain. So what I'm going to do is go to borders and shading, and I'll choose box. And then we can change it to what we'd like first. So go ahead and choose maybe a different style, and then maybe a different color. I'm going to go orange to match my flower, and maybe make it a little bit thicker. And then what I want to do is take it off the sides and the top, so it's just on the bottom, and then click OK. Now if I want to get below the border to type more, I'm going to, I can't, with the right down arrow, I can't get past it, so I'm going to press enter, and it pushed the line down further, but don't worry, click clear all formatting, and it drops down below it, so then you can press enter. And you've created a letterhead. So what you'd like to do right now is Control A selects everything. Click Insert, choose Quick Parts, and then choose Save Selection to Quick Part Gallery, and give it a name. I'm going to keep it my name, which is fine, and OK. Now if I created a whole new document, and I clicked File, New, Blank Document, and I wanted my letterhead, all I would do is click Insert, Quick Parts, and there it is. And I'd always have it on file. So go ahead and save and submit that. Thank you.